Can't enable video camera on Zoom app in your iPad. Some users have complained that they can't access camera on the Zoom app. In this video, we will show you some easy ways you can follow to fix camera not working problem on the Zoom app in the iPad. These methods will also work for iPhone too. Make sure you have given Zoom the permission to access the camera on your iPad. Open Settings. Tap Zoom is toggled on. You have to make sure the Zoom app is up to date. Open App Store, search for Zoom app. If there is an update instead of open, update it. You can force close the Zoom app, then open it again. Background. Just swipe up Zoom app to close it. Now for safety purpose, swipe up one by one to close all the apps. Now open the Zoom app again. Due to some settings misconfiguration, Zoom app could be unable to access the camera. So you can do an all settings reset to fix this issue. Launch Settings app. Tap General. Tap Reset. Tap Reset all settings. Enter your passcode if prompted. Tap Reset. Again tap Reset. Your iPad will take an auto restart and all the customized settings, passcode, restrictions, network related info will be erased from it. But don't worry, you won't lose any of your personal data. Open Zoom app and it should fix the issue. If nothing else works, you can uninstall the Zoom app, then install it back again. It will fix the issue. These are the ways you can fix camera not working problem in the Zoom app on the iPad and iPhone. Thanks for watching the video. We hope it was helpful. If you have any query on the topic, let us know in the comment box. Thank you.